Good morning and welcome to my update on EcoFlow's River, their beautiful little mobile power station. The first review was done on my blog in September, where I took the device to Burning Man and fully charged it in the desert, used it and tinkered with it a little bit just to see how well it would work out there. You can get that on yomster.com in my blog, and the review is called River Powered Adventure. Anyhow, and had a few problems, rather strange sort of things. The first being, over the past 4 months since we've had the device here in the UK, it has dropped 6 percentage points. It was fully charged up to 100% while in the desert, fully charged on solar, I must add, and it seems to have dropped 6 percentage points. I'll leave that up to you whether that's good or bad. EcoFlow claim it should hold a charge for a whole year. So we're down by 6 in 4 months. We'll see how things go. Another update on the website, on my blog, very, very soon. The other rather interesting part is it fails to charge via the AC port, which is down at the back here. Now, I have tried several times to power a laptop and various other devices, all combined drawing less than the 300 watt limit that we have with this, and still not working. On the plus side though, which is rather interesting, because right here in London today we have cloudy skies, and one of the crazy things about that is when you've got cloudy skies you can't charge. So what I've done today is I have attached the solar panel, and as you probably noticed, it is charging. So we've got Storm Eleanor battering us in London at the moment in the UK, and the sky is heavily overcast, and we are still trickle charging. It may take the best part of several months to do much, but at least this is hope for digital nomads like myself, where you travel around the world and you need to grab those rays wherever you are just to top up your little power source. Anyhow, that's the end of my update. If you've got to River and you'd like to contribute, please do. On the other hand, if you have any questions regarding the use or traveling around the world with a power cell, please do drop me a line. Email address and everything on my blog. Thank you very much. Bye.